Guys, kumuha kami ngayon ng taxi since medyo malaki pa yung pupuntahan namin. Oh. Ito yung taxi driver, kung mawala man kami, yan, tanda niya pangalan niya. Ito siya, kamukha niya yung nandun sa ID niya. Kasama ko si The Third, saka si Renante, yan. Itong mukha niya, guys, yan. Say hello! Hello! So guys, ayan yung ID niya, yan. Tanda niya, magkamukha, See? Kung may mangyari man sa aming masama o ma-want, basta at least nakita nyo na yung mukha niya, okay? Okay, alis muna kami. Bye-bye.
A few moments later.
So what's up guys? So while I'm walking here at mall in Kaohsiung, Taiwan, so I saw this beautiful car made by Tesla. So this model is Tesla Model Y. Ayan siya guys. So this fully electronic vehicle. So paano siya i-open? So i-open lang natin siya. This. So as you can see, wala siyang key holder, Ito mo lang. And then this loob. Ito yan guys. Ito yung loob niya guys. Ayan Ito yung loob niya. So yung seat niya maganda Color white. May lagayan siya ng yan, tapos may lagay ng cups. So yan, automatic. So yan guys, itsura ng Tesla Model Y. So yan yun, pag sinara mo ganun lang. So naka-charge siya. So itong rim niya guys, tingnan niyo yung mags niya Yung tires niya is Pirelli. Napakaangas. So the braking system is made by also the Tesla brand. So as you can see from there, this is the charging cable going here. So when you see this color green, it indicates that the car is fully charged. So this one is on the back side. As you can see, yung tail light niya. So it's very unique. Yan. So ito yung yan. So ayan yung loob, the interiors, the side mirrors. Yes, ayan guys. So ito siya guys. Okay. So now we will go to sales manager, representative of this car. So we will ask how much this price Tesla by the Kaohsiung. Sir, can I ask how much this price of this Tesla?
$2.1 million.
US dollar.
Taiwan dollars.
How much in US dollar that? Divided by 30? So guys, Taiwan dollar. So I'm with Sir manager. 70,000 US dollar. Model Y,
Yes.
So how can I check the specification of this car? Here, the specification.
Two versions. Long range and performance.
The power is
The horsepower is 370.
where?
370 horsepower.
Not written here,
Not in here.
370 horsepower.
Yes.
Okay, nice. 370 horsepower. Okay. So that's all for now. Thank you.
A few inches later.
Thank you. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Guys, baba na kami. Shit.
Excited kami.
Excited kami, guys. I-service namin, BMW.
Excited kami. Doon nata sa kabila.